Thinking of buying a house? You may be wondering, is it a buyer's market? How do we recognize a buyer's market? It's all about understanding the key indicators. Let's break it down. Increased inventory is one of the most significant signs of a buyer's market. It's simple supply and demand. When there's a surplus of homes available, buyers have more options, greater bargaining power, and it's their market. Then, there's the time factor. If homes are taking longer to sell, it's another sign pointing towards a buyer's market. In a seller's market, properties fly off the shelves. But when the pendulum swings the other way, and homes start to linger, buyers can take their time, negotiate better terms, and make more informed decisions. Price reductions also signal a shift towards a buyer's market. When sellers are reducing their prices, it's often because they're trying to attract more buyers. This can be a great opportunity for buyers to get a good deal. Finally, increased buyer incentives. Sellers might offer to pay closing costs, provide a home warranty, or even include furniture in the sale. These incentives are like the cherry on top, sweetening the deal for prospective buyers. So, in a nutshell, recognizing a buyer's market involves watching for increased inventory, homes taking longer to sell, reduced prices, and increased buyer incentives. But where can you find this information? Resources like the Canadian Real Estate Association, Toronto Real Estate Board, Zolo.ca, and the new home listing service are invaluable for buyers. They provide up-to-date data and insights that can help you navigate the market with confidence. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding these key indicators, you can recognize a buyer's market and make the most of your real estate investment. So, keep your eyes on the market, stay informed, and happy house hunting.